Okay, so this is gonna be the batter mix that I'm gonna try today. This is the homemade General Tso sauce. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Alright, this is the meat in the batter, and we will fry this up. So the meat turned out really nice when I fried it. I did add a couple ice cubes so it doesn't have as much of a layer, but it still has the crunchiness to it. Mashallah. Alright, voila, the end product. We got that wonderful green onion, cauliflower, broccoli, Chinese eggplant, sesame seeds, carrots, the beef in there, the homemade General Tso sauce. Whew, with a labor of love. Took quite some time, but woo! Smells absolutely wonderful. So the flavor of the sauce is fantastic. I'm really pleased. The sweetness and the acidity is really nice. Maybe next time I'll add in some like sliced jalapenos, spice it up a bit. But man, when you make things from scratch, it takes longer, but it's really worth it. Mashallah, alhamdulillah.